This is Ferry Road Level Crossing in Spring Creek. So we've got quite a complex level crossing here. We've got three Western Cullen Hayes barrier mechanisms. See the Western Cullen Hayes logo there. And we have 9 Montrose of Penrose LED lights. Right. See the Montrose of Penrose label on the back of those ones over there, and there's a couple over there. And we have a whopping 5 Western Cullen Hayes E-bells. Probably the most number of bells that I've probably the most used number of bells I've seen at a level crossing in New Zealand. Just wait for this ute to get out of the way, and now I'll show you, and I'll zoom in on the ones over here. So there's the other 2 over there, and there's one more you may just be able to see concealed by that pole, and there's another one over here on that light unit there. So yeah, with that said and done, let's now go and wait for a train.